Well, I've been called to make my way over to my aunt's house. My cousin is waiting for me to take her to her mom, my other aunt's house, on my mom's side for brunch for me, seeing as how I just woke up. Anyway, yesterday, the dog was taken away when the authorities took away the girl again. But the dog's mess and shit still here, so I have to clean this up. Not because I want to, or have to, but because I can't stand the stink. After lunch, I asked T to take me back to Vincom Center to work. Here we have Warehouse London, PJ's Coffee of New Orleans, Bud's Ice Cream of San Francisco. What's with these cities taking over Saigon? If this toilet or these toilets can handle my crazy bowel movements, I'm pretty sure it can handle a little bit of toilet paper. Worst movie ever. I once again sat in my favorite part of the mall to work, Bud's Ice Cream.
Oh sweet, there are outlets here.
My friend Foong stopped by to visit again, and we went downstairs to the food court to have dinner at the fancy pepper lunch. This place was so fancy and hoity-toity, most normal people couldn't even afford to eat here. That's why it was so empty. Well, it wasn't that expensive. So guys, I got the hamburger omelet, and I have to tell you, this is not very Vietnamese, but this looks amazing. So it's already sizzled here, so I just kind of flip it over to make sure it's even on both sides. It's got some rice under the eggs, and then I take this amazing sauce gravy thing and I pour it on. I cannot wait to eat this. I'm gonna do my Mark Wiens impression. After dinner, I met up with my other cousins for some quick smoothies at our favorite outdoor coffee location. Well, it's a little after 10 at night, and the woman and I are going to clean up this dog mess, the aftermath of the dog that is now been taken away because that crazy neighbor girl got arrested. So she didn't, obviously, if you saw my previous vlogs, did not take care of the dog at all. And now I'm forced to clean up afterwards. It's not my responsibility, but if you smelt this, you would not be able to deal with it. Well, this is it. 2 full bags of food and shit and piss. Oh, so gross. And when we were done cleaning, we rewarded ourselves with 2 smoothies. Well deserved.